Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make this animated web page. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started with it. So first thing first, we will open Opera and then we will search for Bootstrap. Just Bootstrap. Click on the first result, get started, and then we will copy the starter template from it. I will make a new folder here that has name Dino. Yes, it's empty right now. Now we will open Atom text editor and we will open the Dino folder in it. I'll make a new file that is index.html. After that we'll make a new folder that is CSS. Inside that we'll make a new file styles.css. Now we will make a new folder, let's keep it images. Now let's go to Opera and then we will search for Pixabay. Click on the first result. Okay, wait guys, let's delete this. Let's delete this first. That we don't, and let's name our title to be dinosaur, right? Yes. Now let's go to Pixabay and search for Rex space T. Now go search for this image and click on free download. Click on the second last result, I'm not a robot, and download it. Now we will open folder location. Let's rename it to Dino1. Let's cut it and we'll paste it in our Dino folder images. Yes. Now let's open Photoshop. Here we go. Now we'll open the Dino1 in Photoshop and yes, Dino1, which is located in Dino folder inside images. I'll use the lasso tool. No, this is the lasso tool. Now let's select it. Do it properly. It shouldn't be like just doing it. It should be done in precision. While doing this, keep your Alt pressed so it doesn't remove our selection automatically when we unclick our mouse button. Mouse click. Let's now save this layer and we'll on our desktop, not on our desktop, in the images, that is Dino2. Now it's basically we selected our dinosaur's face. Now let's select our dinosaur's whole body. Okay, I will do it for you. I will skip this part. I will provide the link in description. I will give you all the 4 images, that is Dino1, Dino2, Dino3 and Dino4. I will just show you what I did. So this is the Dino1, which is the background image. Dino2 is basically the face. Dino3 we just remove the clouds on the backside, and Dino4 is the dinosaur's body. Yes, cut that and let's open Atom text editor. Now inside the body section, body tag will make a new section. Inside the section we'll make let's go to Opera and then we'll search for navbar. Yeah, let's go into navbar and we'll copy the most basic navbar from here. Let's copy this one and we'll paste it here inside the section. I will remove navbar dash light and let's keep our navbar dash, let's give a navbar dash dark. Now yes, let's remove this disabled one. Let's remove it completely. Let's now copy this one, features. Let's rename it to, I will write the types of dinosaurs name, that is Triassic. Second one will be Jurassic. Now let's copy it and paste it 4 times. Actually I am writing all these names from Wikipedia. Now let's make this Barosaurus, and the fourth one will be Triceratops, and let's keep our fifth one to Saurolophus. Let's copy it one more time and paste it below here, and we'll write this one as Oviraptor. Yes, so we have total. Let's go down and let's add some space between section and nave. Let's go to Opera and search for Google Fonts, which we will write in head section. I will search for fonts. The first font will be Techo. Yes, now we'll select this medium 500, and now let's select one more font, that is Balsamic. Let's copy the first one, so we'll select the first one. Yes, let's select this first style and we'll copy this link and we'll paste in our head section of our index.html. Let's make it indented properly. We'll comment it Google Fonts. Now let's add some space where we add one more comment, that is CSS file. Below that will link our CSS file, that is css/styles.css. Yes, now let's go down. Below nave and between section, above section, we'll make a new div that is header, class as header, and inside that we'll make a new div that is class images. Now we'll add an image tag which has source images /dino1.png and that's class, let's keep it dino1. Just paste it 3 times. This will be dino2, dino3 and dino4. Yes, let's rename it. Let's make it small, dino2 and dino3 and dino4. Yes, these are all dinosaurs images. Now below this div, yes, below this one, we'll make one more div. Let's make a div, yes, which is class words. Inside that we'll add an h1 tag which is class beast. Okay, yes, and we'll insert a span tag. Let's remove the spaces. The beast, yes, the beast will be inside the span tags. We'll add one more h2 tag, basically h2, and which is class bad day. Yes, bad day, got it right. Now we'll add emphasis tag. Inside the emphasis tag we will add 65, and after the emphasis tag we'll add a line break. And inside span, the class of the span will be million. Now inside span we'll write as million, with after that we'll insert line break years ago. After that we'll add a line break. Let's cancel out the spaces. The dinosaurs, yes, the dinosaurs. Now after that BR line break had a bad day, full stop. Yes. After below this div we'll make a new div again. Okay. Yes, we'll make a new div which has class as container. Inside that div we'll make a new div that has class smoke. With inside that we'll make a new image tag which has source images cloud.png. Now I will provide this images in link in description, so download it from there. I will paste it inside here, and yes, we'll remove this extra div. I think we are done with our HTML. Now let's go on to edit our CSS. The body tag, which is overflow, will be hidden. It should be important. Let's keep it for avoiding any fuss at the end. I'll access the .navbar, which is our neighbor. Yes, which we got from Bootstrap. Position will be absolute. navbar dash brand, and we'll access the span tag, the font size. Let's write yes, let's change it, dinosaurite, and inside that we'll make a new span tag which is .com. Let's cancel out the spaces. In style.css, go to .com, we'll access the .com, we'll make it smaller, that is 15 pixels. We'll access the home, which is margin left 100 pixels, that is our first item in our new item. Margin right will be 50 pixels. Now we will list editor, let's add a class to our item, that is types of dinosaurs. And let's add class that is Dinosaurus types. Let's copy it and let's paste it here. Margin, let's keep margin right to be 50 pixels. Yes. Below that we'll make a header class and the height will be, okay, this is the header class. Height will be 100 view height, width will be 100 view width. Yes. Let's cancel it out. Dino1, that is our background image. Height will be inherited, width will be, let's keep it 100%. No, let's keep it 100 view height, which is important. Z index will be -5. Position will be absolute. Now let's copy this and we'll paste it 3 more times for all the dino classes. Let's make it Dino2, Dino3, Dino4. Dino2 is dino2.png, which will be basically will be our face, which will be on the frontal side. Now let's skip it. Dino3 is -3 and Dino4 is -2. Yes. Now let's copy .beast, which is the text, the beast. Position will be absolute, Z index will be -1, from left it will be, and then let's keep it 392 pixels. From bottom it will be 150 pixels. Font family, let's keep it Tico, or first font we selected in Google Fonts, and comma sans serif, the default one. The font size will be 200 pixels. Opacity will be 0.7, let's keep it 0.7. And the color will be white. Yes, let's keep it white. Transition will be 0.5 seconds. And now let's access the span tag of the .beast class. .beast span tag. Position will be absolute. Z index will be -1. From left it will be 380 pixels. From bottom it will be, let's keep it 1 pixels. Font family, let's keep it the second one, which was, let's keep it Tico. Okay, Tico will do well here because we're accessing the heading, right? Font size will be 250 pixels and transition will be all 0.3 seconds. Ease in, out. Yes. Color will be #FFF, which is white color. Text align will be center. Now we want to animate it. We will glow the beast text. Okay, glow 1 second. Ease in, ease out, infinite, alternate. Yes. Now let's copy and paste it 2 more times for all the web browser, that is WebKit, and let's keep it MOS, that is Mozilla. Animation, let's keep it simple for every browser. Let's access it. WebKit, keyframes, glow, from text shadow, 0010 pixels, and hashtag FFF, comma 0020 pixels, hashtag FFF, comma 0030 pixels, hashtag 000 0040 pixels, hashtag 000 and comma 0050 pixels, comma, yes, it's fine. and 50 pixels. Now let's set 60 pixels. It will be, let's keep it black only, and at 70 let's make it 70 till 70 and it will be black. Let's copy this line and we'll paste it below. Use it for pasting down in the to tag, the to section, that is, yes. Now let's change the colors. First will be, let's keep it, yes. Now let's change it. It will be, I think we are doing wrong. Now let's make it 20. Yeah, we'll make it 20, 30 and then 40. Let's make it 60, 60, 60, which is gray color. I think it is dark gray color, which will go well with a white color and a black color. Let's copy it and paste it here, and we'll increase it by 10 pixels. 70, let's paste it here, 80 and let's paste it here. So we are done with the glowing effect of the text. Now we'll go down, section hover. When the section is hover, our beast class will be changed, that is the beast, only the beast will be changed. The z index will be -3. Transform it, we will scale it x by 1.02, which will increase its size. Yes, below that we will make a smoke, which is basically cloud. Position will be absolute. From top it will be 500 pixels, from left it will be 0, width will be 100%. Animation smoke 100 seconds, linear infinite, yes, will go well. Z index will be -4, optimal opacity will be 0.33. Now let's copy it and we'll paste it here. Keyframes, smoke, yes, from position absolute, left will be 150 pixels, and inside to section, position will be absolute, left will be -5440 pixel, which is the width of the smoke image, which is basically cloud.png. We'll go into index.html and we'll copy this bad-day is to hover. No, let's keep it simple. Position absolute, then we'll write hover. From top it will be 250 pixels. Color will be, let's keep it white. From left it will be 50 pixels. Transition will be 2 seconds. Yes, now let's copy and paste it here. Is to hover. Transform it, we'll scale it by 1.2. Semicolon, yes. A bad day, now let's access by EM, which is 65. It's emphasized already. Let's make it a font size a bit bigger than that, which will be 100 pixels. Now let's access our million, that is not million class. Font size will be 30 pixels. Opacity will be 0.7. Yes, I think now you're done with our CSS. Now let's save it. Let's copy the file path. We'll paste it here. Look guys, we got what we wanted. It's looking absolutely amazing, and we're getting all the effects. The cloud is animated and we are increasing the Z index of it. So like, share and subscribe my channel for more awesome videos. Thank you guys.